Alright, so hey guys, good morning. Good morning and welcome to 4X Trading, your trading group. I'm Cram, my partner's Cash, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. Alright, so just a quick disclaimer, you guys, we are not a buy or sell channel. We use technical and fundamental analysis to find potential opportunities in these markets to bank pips, which we then convert into money. Alright, so if you're looking for someone to tell you to buy now and sell now, you're on the wrong stream. But if you are looking to learn about these markets and trade the profitable 4X strategy live, then stick around because that's exactly what we're gonna do. Alright guys, big day, lots of red folders. That being said, we need to realize that we could have some really erratic movement today. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly share my screen with y'all. Okay, babe, did I get disconnected? Guys, do y'all hear me? Guys, do y'all hear me? Okay, good. Sorry. I just had Discord shut on. Y'all can see my screen too, correct? Okay, perfect. Alright, okay. This is gold. One of two things can happen. We have our supply marked up over here. We have our demand marked below here. It's simple. It's pretty straightforward. We break our supply. We're going to test the next resistance, which would be most likely this area. And then, of course, we have our daily resistance. That's a very big move. We may or may not get that move. But anyway, all right. So that's a possibility. And then the second possibility, of course, is we break our demand and we come down to our daily support right here. Okay. So we could expect something like that. Alright, and we could expect maybe something like that. Okay, so that's gold. Alright, let's look at the dirty. If we happen to break this structure, y'all see this structure, guys? If we happen to break this structure, we could definitely get this zone fill to the downside, okay? Alright, and the bears are definitely starting to come in. Alright, that's where we could be looking for the sells. And if they want to go bullish, okay, and if they want to take it bullish, we could be looking at this move possibly, okay? And again, this is just the first TP. We'd have some more, but I've just marked that out for you guys for now. Nasdaq, same story on Nasdaq. Let's wait to break down here. I do believe we could possibly get this move, but I really want to see how we're going to react around this structure, you guys, and then we can take a call whether they want to go in for the buys or the sells. Alright? But this move to the downside could very well happen, but we have about 7 minutes to news right now, so I wouldn't want to maybe get in on anything prematurely. So let's have some safer entries today. Right, and of course, if they break the high, we're looking at possibly 12,000, right? We could go up to the psychological 12,000, get a nice 60 pip move, maybe over there. Okay. That could also be an impulse, alright? So if you guys are going to be using orders or anything of that sort, please be careful, okay? Because I know a lot of y'all, I know that a lot of y'all have some issues placing orders because of your accounts, or it gets skipped, or it's too fast for y'all. Please be careful. That is stuff that y'all have to figure out for yourselves. I have cracked that skill, and I know a lot of people on the stream who have as well. So practice makes perfect. Don't be disheartened if you don't get triggered on any trade, okay? And make sure you keep a nice stop loss and a take profit. But listen, you need to give slippage room. All right, so use smaller lots so that y'all can hold on to your trades, have slightly broader take profits and slightly broader stop losses. Okay, so use smaller lots. Don't be using crazy lots. Not today, you guys. Okay. All right, I'm gonna get to the chat. We have about 6 minutes to news, and I also want to set up some orders for myself because I don't want to miss on these. All right, what are you guys? Are y'all in any sort of trades at all? Chat. We've got fewer people on today. I reckon it's because we're on earlier. Guys, we had a crazy London session today. Y'all asked the ones that were there, but it was insane. Cash FX was on fire as always, and we got some crazy moves, you guys. We banked about 90 to 100 pips on London pre-news, right? On a choppy day, we still managed to catch close to 100 pips, right? So it was a lovely session. I know I enjoyed it. I made my money, and it was awesome. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I am enticed to put the cells here because I know that we could get this wick fill, but we could get this structure fill, but I know that a lot of you guys would end up misusing that, which is why I'm not putting it down there. Let's just have safer and more conservative entries, okay? Okay, you guys. I'm excited. I hope this is not going to be a dud. I hope we get the momentum to push in. Give me a quick second. I'm going to put on my orders, okay? Because we have about 4 minutes to news. All right, let's look at... Is anyone in any sort of trades? You guys? Anyone in any feelers or anything of that sort? Guys, I think this could definitely... I mean, we're going closer... Okay. I'm just putting this on here. I don't want you guys to be getting in on it. Not right now. I'm just putting it on here, okay? Let's see what they want to do. That's if the cells want to kick in, of course. Yeah, but I do believe, exactly, Cash is saying the same thing. I do believe that they're probably going to hit the psychological 12,000 where we've always got some really, really heavy resistance from, okay? Guys, and also just trade one. Alright, please, I'm requesting y'all. Don't try to be the jack of all trades. Just focus on one, okay? I promise you guys will see a lot more success that way. Okay, sorry you guys, give me a quick second. I'm just gonna flop over to this. And guys, what are your spreads like right now? What are your spreads like right now? Okay, I like what gold is doing. I'm gonna quickly set up some orders on gold, you guys. Give me a second. Okay, we have news in about the next 40 seconds. Listen, you guys, we could go bullish, we could go bearish, anything could happen at this point, alright? We do have this movement that could happen before the bearish movement happens, or we could have the bearish movement before the bullish movement. Just be careful, don't go too crazy. Please, risk smaller, alright? Risk smaller. Let's see what they want to do. We've got about 15 seconds to news, okay? If they want to manipulate the market to begin with, let them, alright? We'll catch it. Okay? This is news in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Okay? Alright, I just got triggered on my Nasdaq sell. Alright, and I pulled out 600. I pulled out 600 on that real quick. On the US 30 sell, my bad. Did anyone catch that with me? That was just the impulse. I got triggered, pulled it out. Okay, guys, also, these sells could just be the impulse. Wait for the bigger move, alright? Wait for the bigger move. Okay, gold is pushing down as well. Look at that. Gold is pushing down. Okay, I am running 2800 on Nasdaq, you guys. I'm running 2800 on this. I had my order set up over here and I had an order set up over there. I'm going to quickly change this to break even because I'm not willing to risk anything, even though I feel the overall momentum is definitely bullish for this market. All right, see what I mean? Okay, let's see, you guys. Let's watch. All right, everything's doing the same thing. Okay, I still have my buys that are, of course, in place but not triggered. So let's see if they want to give it to me, okay? I've got a buy stop on Nasdaq and I've got a buy stop on gold. Alright, did anyone catch that impulse with me, you guys? Did anyone catch the impulse? Okay, let's watch gold. Let's watch gold. Nope, still waiting. Alright, good job, Kolama, my man. Good job. Okay, gold is attempting. Okay, gold. They're still trying. They're still trying. Alright, the sellers are still attempting. We have some very, very solid demand sitting over here, you guys, which is why we think it's going to go bullish, okay? So let's see. That being said, they could come down all the way, test this area, maybe even test this area before they go bullish. So for now, the bullish moves are up here. But in case they want to push down further, we'll try and we'll adjust our buys accordingly, okay? Alright, let's look at gold. Lots of different news coming out today, you guys, which is why there could be some indecision and fake outs before the moves actually begin to happen. Let them do what they have to, right? You guys, we don't want to get caught in this. Let them just do it as dirty as they'd like. We'll respect price action and we'll catch the right moves, okay? We're not going to gamble in these markets. Did anyone at all get in on the impulse with me? Anyone at all? Or was I the only one that banked on that?
Yeah, I got in, but man, the delay on opening that one.
Yep. Yep, it's because you probably caught a really, really bad spread, bro. That's probably what happened. Got Nasdaq, okay. Got gold, good, good. Caught it? Good stuff, man. Took a while to get my order placed. Well, that's gonna happen, you guys, because when you put in orders, you need to realize that it's at your broker's disposal, right? Because your spreads are going to change a lot, and when your order gets triggered, if you normally have a 3-4 pip spread, you could have got a 10-20 pip spread, and it's not in your control because you completely hand it over to your broker. All right. All right, guys. If y'all ask me personally, I'm not going to be getting in on any more sells. Okay, I'm being honest with y'all. I'm just telling y'all my bias of these markets. These markets can sell all they want, but y'all know I respect price action. I treat it like it's the only thing that exists in these markets, and I'm gonna wait for the buys. I'm okay with that. They could sell it all the way to the daily support. I don't care because I got about a quick 1200 on that, and I'm happy. I'm happy.
What are Graham? What are some ways you recommend to sort of combat that spread disadvantage?
There's really nothing we can do, brother, because if you're putting in your orders, it's bound to happen. You're not going to catch a good spread. You're going to catch a bad spread, or you're going to catch a really bad spread. It's one of those, and in all honesty, it depends. The only thing that you can do is reduce your lot size, just so that you're reducing the risk and you're giving yourself and your trade some more room to breathe. That's in all honesty the only thing that we can do if we're going to be using orders. And of course, sometimes if you're going to put in a stop loss and a take profit, sometimes that's going to backfire on you as well. I'll tell you why, right? Because say for instance you got in and your broker hit you with a 50 pip spread, and if you put a 20 pip stop loss and a 20 pip 1:1 risk to reward on your order, then you'd close that trade at a negative 30 pip loss, right? Because 50 pips was your spread to begin with. So the only way you can actually tackle this is use smaller lots so that you don't have to keep 20 pip stop losses and 20 pip take profits. You'd rather have 100 and 100, but you've got to calculate that accordingly to your account size.
Gotcha. Appreciate the insight.
Cheers, buddy. Okay, they're selling. They're pushing it down. Okay. Some buyers finally pushing in on this. Watch for it, guys. We may be getting something. Okay. Okay, let's see. Let's see if they want to give it to us on Nasty, you guys. Are we going to get rejected from our supply? Or are we going to push? We're going to have to find out, okay? I like the psychological 12,000. Tofu foo. May I ask why no sells for Nasdaq? Just because we're so close to a psychological level, right? And they're definitely playing with us, but we're so close to a psychological level. It'd be stupid of them to be shy of 60 pips to 12,000 and then just push the market down, right? So that's why I believe we could. Okay, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. All right, are we going to have enough momentum to push in? Let's see, you guys. I'm watching intently. Let's look at the dirty. All right, the dirty is attempting to. For you guys trading the dirty, watch for that. Nasty! Okay, Nasty is attempting. All right, we're attempting. Let's get this freaking move, guys. Let's get this move, okay? I'm waiting on it. All right, the dirty and Nasty are pretty similar right now. Also, the buys are also there for the dirty, okay? Come on.
Also, it's trying to approach 70. It's at 65 the other side.
Yep. are getting some resistance at the 70 on the RSI right now. Come on, you guys. I want this move and I want it so bad. Okay. We're approaching the buys on the dirty as well.
70.
Say what, babe?
H1 is getting rejected at 70.
Okay, so the H1, so the hourly on Nasdaq is testing the 70. All right, on the RSI.
That's why we're getting this much resistance.
Gold is not doing too much. Okay, they didn't close it in our box. It was just an impulse. Let's see if we have enough volume to push in. Okay.
Maybe do
All right, are you guys in any sort of trades? Anyone and any feelers? Any small positions? Anything of that sort? Okay, look at Nasty. Okay, we're attempting. If we break that wick, we could get a little bit of an injection, you guys. So we need volume to break that goddamn wick. Okay? The dirty's going bullish, you guys. Dirty's going bullish. All right, watch out. Those buys could be coming in as well. If y'all want to be trading the dirty, go ahead. But again, test it out first, all right? Test it out first. Just don't go too crazy all of a sudden, okay? All right, but so far they're trying, you guys. They're trying hard. All right, let's throw on. Okay. Still retesting. I'm just watching right now, you guys. I'm in on a little buy feeler on Nasdaq and on the dirty. All right, just buy feelers, nothing more. I have nothing that's gotten triggered as yet on either of them, so I'm just waiting for when price wants to go there. Okay. What do y'all think? Are we gonna hit 12K on Nasty? Yes. What do you think, babe? Yeah. That's what I'm waiting for too, you guys. I strongly believe from my experience in these markets, we hit these whole numbers. We hit these psychological numbers. All right. So we need momentum, though. We need momentum to do it. All right. We can't be 60 pips short of 12,000. Alright, and if anyone's in on a feeler with me on the dirty, I'm gonna have my stop loss down at our 4-hour support, okay? And for Nasty, I'm gonna have our stop loss down here at demand. Let's take a look at the RSI. Okay, still looks fine. I'm sorry? Okay, gold is attempting again, you guys. Gold is attempting. Definitely coming into some demand over here, okay? So watch out. If you'll want to get in, this is probably going to be a quick one. But I personally am not getting in on this. Okay, so far indecision. We did have an impulse, but we had nothing more than that. Let's see, you guys. Maybe in the next 1 minute, the new 15-minute candle will open up. Or if not, then maybe on the hourly swap, we'll actually get some real momentum to push, okay? So let's see. So far, it's still a successful retest. They're respecting it, okay, on both sides. Ugh, dead markets. Alright, so you know why this is happening? It's because we had so many different types of red folders coming out, and they're all obviously going to have a different result, which means that the markets are going to move differently and they're not going to be decisive. And we also have another couple of red folders that are going to be releasing an hour after market open. Alright, so we do have more red folders coming out, which could explain why these markets are being choppy right now. Gold? Did we go bearish on gold? Okay. Okay. Let's see. Are we going to break that? All right. If we break that with momentum, we could hit our daily support. Okay. We're looking at about a 40 pip, a 35 pip move, round about that. Okay. Nasdaq is trying again. We're catching support from the 200. We're holding up there. This looks good to me, you guys. The 12,000 fill, it looks good to me. It could happen for the early swap, no? Yeah. hmm I think the early swap could do it. Okay, I thought the session was gonna be over by now, to be honest, but it's all good. It's all good. This is what we do. We've learned patience in these markets. I certainly have. I know Cash has too, and I'm sure you guys are learning it as well now. Okay, it's fine. Even when there are red folders, we're not gonna have crazy, crazy moves all the time. Okay, it's good. It's fine. This is how you learn, and this is all part of the game. All right. So let's see if they're gonna hold at the 9. Okay, so no real momentum with the 15. Hopefully the early swap brings in something. Okay, look at gold, you guys, taking support, right? Picking up support from our demand right there. Let's see. If they want to take it bullish, we'll get in. Let's have an alert right there. Okay, what are you guys in? We've got some time, it's slow. I'm gonna get on to the chat now. And what are you guys in? Are we looking at feelers? And let me know what feelers are y'all in, or what bigger positions are y'all holding. Nasdaq feeler, buy. Kolama, you wanna buy? Not in anything right now? Okay. Okay. Nas buy feeler. Alright, so we have a lot of nasty traders here, huh? We don't have anyone trading the dirty? No one trading the dirty? Am I the only one trading dirty? Nas fam. I have a dirty feeler buy. Good, good. I'm dirty always, yeah man. Dirty moves well. Nas and Goldie. Okay. Nas by Fila and Dirty. Alright, so even I'm just trading the indices right now. Gold's in all honesty being choppy. I don't like the wicks on gold. I'm not gonna look for that. This looks decent to me. Alright, so the guys are my one-on-ones. Y'all should be seeing this, okay? Alright, we're coming into a little bit of an apex. Let's see how they wanna respect it. Same story with Nasty, okay? Coming into an apex on Nasty as well. Higher highs, taking support off of the 9. This looks bullish to me, you guys. Okay, this looks pretty bullish to me right now. But you see this 200 sitting here? We could very well come back to test this 200 before we maybe push down. It's going to be key to sort of see how we react to the 200. It's right by our demand and it's right by our support. So this is going to be a deciding factor in case they want to come down. Alright, so to be safer now, I am going to move these here. Oops, my bad, it was already there. Okay, gold. Alright, gold's doing a little bit of an impulse. My Goldie traders. Guys, what is gold doing right now? We're literally consolidating in this range, okay? So if y'all don't feel comfortable, just wait for the first candle to close. Don't FOMO into anything. Alright? So, we've got to see this. We need to either break up there and close or break down here and close. Nasty is trying. Okay, it's come to my notice that Nasty is trying. Okay, gold. Alright, gold's attempting. Gold's attempting, you guys. Alright, we're sitting at the 200 above us. Please keep that in mind. Alright, at least on my phone it's above us. Yes, it is. Alright, so we could get rejected. Be on an impulse and nothing more. Alright, but I am going to be trigger finger. I'm going to watch for this injection of volume to push through here, okay? Let's have an alert right at that wick. Okay, Nasdaq's US 30 is attempting and so is Nasty. So far they're holding true to the apex, okay? I got rid of it for y'all, but y'all can see we're still trading within the apex after that big bullish candle. Okay. Gold's being funny. Okay, Nasty. Come on. Give it to us, you guys. Give it to us. Let's hope we get the goddamn move so we don't even need to wait for market open, okay? I want to make my pips and I want to be able to get out of these markets. Alright, we also have the new early candle opening up in the next 6 minutes, you guys, so please be mindful, please be careful. We could have an injection of some volume which could lead to erratic movement, okay? But as technical traders, that's what we want. We enjoy trading volume. I don't have to worry about being trigger finger on this just because I have an order and I will be triggered up in around this area. I've given it some breathing room. Alright, I found the psychological 50 on mine and that's what I set up as my order. Okay, I'm giving it some room to breathe. I don't want to get caught in an impulse. Okay, gold didn't close in our box. That was an impulse on gold. Steady trying to break the top. Yep, looks good. Still coming into the apex though, right? So that's why we have it at our daily resistance. We need enough momentum to break past that supply, you guys. We need enough momentum to be able to do that. Okay, Nasty's trying, and so is the Dirty. They're all trying, you guys. Are we gonna get it in the next 4 minutes? I freaking hope so. Are we gonna have to wait till market open? That is a possibility, yes. Okay, so let's keep that in mind. And let's see. Alright, let's see if they want to actually rip it to the upside. The same story with Nasty. Okay, let's see if they want to rip it up there. And same story with gold. Let's see if they want to rip it up there. But for now, everything looks bullish. Okay, about 3.5 minutes to go. Still respecting supply, you guys. They're still respecting that, okay? I'm gonna now have my stop loss for this at the 15-minute support and not at the demand because I'd rather look to get this zone-to-zone trade than miss out on it, okay? So I'm gonna have my stop loss for this over here in case they want to push back down. Very freaking slow markets today, you guys. Even after all those folders, still extremely slow markets. Okay, they did create a higher high by just a little, so that could be a good sign. Caps effects. Let's see. Let's see, alright? Are we going to have enough momentum though to break this? That's the question. Gold is still, so choppy. Literally, we're just ranging on gold, you guys. Look at that. Just ranging. What do y'all want to be looking at? Do y'all want to look at Nasty or do y'all want to look at the Dirty? Nasty? Okay. Okay. Nasty it is then. Yep, they are moving very, very similarly today, Joel. That's right. Not just today, actually. It's the past couple of days. Literally, both of them struggling to break past supply. And gold could come down right there to retest half the candle. They are respecting the supplier's demand now, so that's a good sign. Let's see, next 20 seconds, okay? Let's see if we have enough momentum. If we don't get enough momentum now, you guys, we're going to have to wait for market open. We're not going to really be left with too much of an option, okay? So Let's see if they want to give us the move. Such a freaking dud, you guys. Horrible, horrible. I legit thought we were gonna have one of those 20-minute sessions today. I didn't think of the 5-minute sessions, of course, but those are usually reserved for NFP and FOMC. But I thought we'd have a quick session and call it. But it is what it is. This is how these markets move, and we have to be accepting of that.
London was better.
I'm sorry, babe.
London was better than this.
Cash is saying London give us better moves than this, and I absolutely agree.
That's right.
Okay, look at gold as well, you guys. Gold is actually trying as well, okay? Look at that. I just saw my MetaTrader on gold. We're trying. Maybe we could get a pop. Still getting resisted. Okay, come on, Goldie. Come on. Right, you'll see how these wicks have come. We don't want this to be another fake out, okay? So just let the candle close if you don't feel comfortable. Nasdaq is trying as well. It's really trying, you guys. Look at Nasdaq. It's trying. But this would still just be an impulse. Okay, this would just be an impulse that would push. We still need a close. Let's see if they want to do it in the next 2.5 minutes. Okay, right when I said it. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. Alright, so I have 3 open trades right now. 1 on each of them. And I have orders set up, okay? I'm only in with feelers right now. And if I get triggered, I get triggered. Alright, but look at gold. Okay, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Everything's trying. Nasdaq's trying, the dirty is trying, and gold is trying, okay? They're all trying, you guys. They're all trying. I want it to be one of those days where I just get triggered and I just start seeing blues on my trades. I'd love that. Guys, I think it's about to happen. Okay, I'm really close to getting triggered on Goldie. Ugh, it's just not enough, you guys. Not enough. Nasdaq's trying. Nasdaq's trying. Yep, it's the 200, Joel. Exactly. That's all that's holding it. The 200 sitting right there, guys. Check it out. Right, we're getting resisted right by the 200. TP for gold would be right there. This area. Or this area. Weirdly, US 30 is moving the slowest right now. At least Nasdaq's showing us positive signs, but the dirty is just yeah, I feel like they're waiting for market open. Come on, let's get that goddamn fill. Nasty's trying. Yes, it is. Come on. Okay, look at the dirty. Alright, guys, I got triggered in on the dirty. I'm gonna change my stop loss to break even. Alright, I'm running about 5 pips on the dirty right now. Okay, I'm at BE on the dirty. Alright, I'm at BE. We closed up there, which is a good sign. Let's see. Alright, I'm running. Okay, I may get stopped out on this, you guys. Nasty. Look at Nasty, guys. I'm running on Nasdaq. Okay, everything's blue right now for me. Everything's blue. I got stopped out on the US 30, but I'm running 15. I'm running 2500 on Nasdaq. Who's catching this with me? Alright, I'm running 2500 on Nasdaq and I'm running about 1000 on gold. Gold is doing it as well. Look at that. I'm running 1000 on gold, triggered, and Nasty. And now, guys, I have to send you this picture because everything is blue right now. I'm all in all up by 6,100, 6,500. Look at this. Who's catching this with me? Alright, 6,600. Maybe I hit the 7K mark and I'm going to liquidate, okay? Beautiful, beautiful. Come on. There you go. 7,600, guys. Lovely. Big dubs, big dubs. Alright, the dirty is doing it. Nasty is attempting to do it. Gold is guys, I'm up by 8,500. 8,000 right now. I'm watching it really, really closely. I really want to start liquidating my positions. I'm still at about 7,500 to 8,000. I want this to hit 10, you guys, and I'm going to call it a freaking session, okay? Who's catching this with me? Who's in on these trades with me, you guys? Who's in? Alright, let's do it, man. Let's do it, alright? I'm ranging between 7,000 and 7,500 right now, you guys, and now it's going down to 65. Okay, I'm starting to liquidate my position now, okay? Okay, I'm out. I've liquidated my position. That was a beautiful move, you guys. I wanna freaking see how many of you guys got that. This is the power of freaking price action, you guys. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. And when the time is right, all we need is a small move like this to make our pips. You know what I'm saying? Just 5 people caught that? Are you shitting me right now? We had 3 moves across the board. And you're telling me just 5 people caught that? 10 people? Okay. Okay, good, good. Nas was like 6 pips? 6 pips that you didn't have before this one, man. Banked 1.5 total on all 3 symbols today. Lovely. Congratulations, that was beautiful. I'm going to send you guys my position, okay? I was in beautifully. Alright, I've made about 10 to 20 pips on 4, 5, on 6 positions, okay? 10, 20 pips each, which is all you need to make money in these markets. Alright, and best believe these moves are still gonna happen, you guys. This is still only the start. 0.75 on the dirty, no need for market open. Cheers, serve, cheers, my man. When Cram closes the session, everything will suddenly play out. Absolutely. That happens, that happens. But you guys know it. You guys know it, alright? These levels that we find for y'all, these levels are static levels, which means they'll even play out when we're not on the session. I've sent my position to you guys. Check it out, alright? Everything got triggered. I told y'all, I just want everything to get triggered and I want everything to be in the blues and I'll start closing it. And I banked on this one, you guys. A little aggressive today because these markets are making us wait. But nonetheless, still make my money, alright? Caps, I'm sorry, what do you mean by that? Sell is, I think you're talking about the ask and bid price. Is that what you're talking about? Because the spread will be a number that's going to keep fluctuating right below Well, listen, that's a complete different type of technical analysis. Talk to me about this on the one-on-ones, and I'll cover it for you. Okay, but that's basically depth of market, and you're basically figuring out. There are easier ways to do it. You don't need to be looking at the ask and bid prices because there are liquidity providers. There's one that's very famous. You guys might have heard of it. There's Bookmap. So it basically gives you live orders and basically shows you who's in par at that current moment, the buyers or the sellers, right? Yeah, my spread on Hanko is like 1 to 2 pips as well. It's pretty good for me on Hanko, the spreads. Nasty is not the best, but on Hanko I like the US 30 and German and gold. They've got really good spreads. Okay, so gold is retesting our now turn demand. All right, healthy retest. Let's see if they want to hold over here or if they want to push back up. Okay. Spread is 20 right now on Nasdaq. Yes, guys. Wait, 1 minute. By 20, you mean is it 20 or is it 200? Because if it's 200, that's 20 pips. If it's just 20, that's 2 pips. Please confirm that and let me know. 2 pips. Okay, perfect. 2 pips is good, man. 2 pips is good. All right, with this strategy, with how we trade over here, scalping these markets, we're looking for anywhere between 2 to 5 pips is a good spread. Okay, look at that. Gold held support right from our demand. The dirty and nasty is attempting to make the push again. You think gold will continue up? It's a possibility. If we close from here, yes, it is a possibility. But we're coming into some serious structure over here, right? I do believe we could maybe test out this area, okay? We could go up here because that would be the next structure break in case the buys wanted to come in, all right? So we could maybe look for something like that. But there's 10 pips. What I mean is, oh, okay. I'll break that down for you. Okay. All right, if you're talking about... Sorry guys, the camera just went off. If you're talking about why the price is different on MetaTrader and why it's different on TradingView, that's because every every broker has a different chart for the same security, all right? And everyone has different spreads, everyone has different commissions. So the numbers are going to vary just by a little bit, by a couple of pips, but what you need to realize is the candles are going to stay the same. So don't look at the numbers, look at the candles, and that's how you can identify your levels from TradingView onto MetaTrader, or vice versa. Is that gold retest valid? Absolutely, of course this is valid. I mean, it's right at our supply turn demand. But again, if I want to re-enter, I'd be looking to re-enter after this. For anyone that's still in on this, your TP is up there. You have buy and sell. I can see sell at 33835. Bro, are you talking about the one-click trade? If you're talking about the one-click trade on MetaTrader, it's basically adding up your spread and showing you that if you hit buy now, you will be at break even at this price. And if you hit sell now, you will be at break even at this price. So it's basically just showing you that where you'll start making profits from, right? It's calculating the spread in that current moment, which is why you're going to keep seeing the numbers fluctuate. I hope that clears it up for you, Caps. It's basically just telling you where your position would open after you'd cover your spreads. Okay, Dirty's coming back down, you guys. Dirty's coming back down. Let's see how they're going to react at around this area or this level. Caps, I hope you've understood what I was trying to say. If you haven't, please ask me and I'll clarify it for you, okay? Okay, look at gold. Attempting to break the high. Gosh, these are so choppy. 15 more minutes, okay? 15 more minutes. Maybe we get something for market open. Okay, I'm looking at gold, you guys. Gold is certain. I'm looking at gold on my MetaTrader. Look at freaking that! Finally, did you guys get in on gold? I just saw my MetaTrader numbers go up. Alright, did anyone get in on gold? We got exactly that TP. We got that TP that I said we were going to get. Quick in and out on gold. Beautiful. Alright, US 30 is trying again. So is Nasty. They're all attempting to do it again, okay? W on gold. Good, good, good. Freaking hell, you guys. Look at this. Look at this. I'm seeing all blues on my MetaTrader right now. I'm seeing all blues and I love it. W, who's catching this with me, you guys? It's a slow day, but we're still doing it. It's a slow day, but we this is what we do, okay? We beat through these odds and we make money in these markets. W on gold, good stuff. All right, so I just re-entered in on some positions, you guys, and I'm gonna ride this thing out. All right, I'm gonna ride this thing out. I'm watching for that break on Nasty right now, but look at gold. Gold is pushing as well. Okay. And look at Nasty. All right, Nasty is attempting to break that. Let's have our alert up there. Let's have an alert up there. All right, and let's see what they want to do on gold, okay? Let's go. Gotta get to work. See you guys either tonight for London or tomorrow. And bye. Babe, are you doing London tomorrow? Okay, she may or may not do London tomorrow, you guys. We'll keep you all updated just because we've got news for New York tomorrow as well. So if there's not going to be much volume, we won't do London. We'll let you guys know, okay? Christ, they're really making us wait today, huh? For how long have I? For how long?
That's breaking.
Oh, nasty. Sorry. Guys, 1 second. I'm so sorry. For how long was I muted? I'm sorry. I kept talking. Guys, I'm up by 11,000 on my account right now. Who's freaking banking with me? Guys, take out your profits. This is a good enough move. We're coming really close to market open. I was talking. I didn't realize. But as of right now, I'm up by 10,300 and counting. 10,300 and counting, okay? I'm going to trail my stop loss. Look at the Dirty is doing it as well. Dirty is attempting to go and hit TP, you guys. Look at that. Who's catching this with me? I'm up by 12,000 right now. 12,000. Freaking hell, man. Finally. Nasdaq still doesn't have enough volume, but we're getting the moves, you guys. We're getting the moves. I want this freaking 10 to hit a 15 now. And also, I'm in completely risk-free trades, alright? Because I'm changing everything to break even, which means that even if this wants to reverse on me, I'm gonna be fine. Alright, so risk-free trades, this is what you guys have to do. Get in, secure 5 pips, and leave the rest on break even. Alright, so who's catching this with me? Sorry, you guys, I didn't have Discord open, so I didn't know I was muted. I don't even know how it got muted. My apologies. Alright, so W. Okay, how many of y'all caught that?
It was only just for a few minutes.
It was for a few minutes? For Bro, I kept talking. I kept talking. It's all good, buddy. It's all good. Thank you for letting me know, though. Cram, so you re-entered Nasty or you got feelers? No, I re-entered, and I had a partial that was still running from the previous position. Which would have turned out to be slightly bigger than a feeler. Okay, you see what I mean? Lots of freaking supply sitting up here, you guys. I am liquidating gold. Well, just a little bit of a feeler anyway. I'm not interested. I'm good. Alright, before it hit my break-even stop, I wanted to get out of that, okay? So, I'm good on gold. Could you show where you re-entered? Right on that, I told you guys. That break. Willing to catch 5-6 pips, you guys. That break. Okay, US 30 is attempting to hit TP, you guys. And you enter on bid or ask price. I just hit buy, buddy. I just hit buy. Nasty's trying again, okay? Nasty's trying to push again. Okay, look at that. We're still pushing. We're still pushing. Five more minutes to market open. Goddamn, is Nasty stubborn. Let's go. I agree, man. I hope we get it. We do have this bullish momentum coming in. I want to see how this new candle is going to open up. And we could just get a reversal as well, right? So if as long as you're in on BEs, it's all good, okay?
Can't believe gold was the biggest mover today.
Yep, weirdly. Freaking weirdly. Right? We've traded on Nasdaq is this, and all we've traded on the dirty is this. So yes, gold is today's winner for sure. But we have market open. Let's see. All right, maybe we get something from market open. I want to take a look. This looks good to me. All right, so let's throw on an alert right here. Okay, let's see if we want to break that. All right. I'm not going to be re-entering. I'm writing my positions. All right, guys.
Should we still be looking at buys on gold?
No, definitely not. All right, I in all honesty, I'm not even looking at the buys over here. I think for market open, we could start to maybe push down a little bit, you know. Maybe we could start looking at sells over here for market open, alright? Because I'm liking this momentum that they're pushing down with. We did have an engulfing, but as long as they cover up this whole candle, my bias is going to flip to the sells, okay? Let's watch it though. Let's watch it though. I'm just putting it on there for now. Let's see how the last minute of this market plays out, okay? One of two things, you guys, okay? We break past the 60 on market open, we're probably going to go hit 12k. Or if we don't have enough momentum to break up to 12k, we're going to break down from here. We're going to test this area and most likely then push down. Okay, so I'm going to be ready for either. I'm just going to be trigger finger on this. I'm not going to be setting up any orders, you guys. I don't believe it's going to be extremely fast or anything of that sort, so we should be okay. All right, but I feel like the sells are definitely starting to step in. Okay, and look at the dirty as well. All right, do y'all want me to put up a level for the dirty, or are we doing or are we only doing nasty? Dirty 2, please. Okay. There. Okay, that's if dirty wants to play. And up there, if dirty wants to push up. Trying to squeeze in 2 more minutes for market open. Welcome back, Ashley. Okay, let's not look at gold. I don't like gold. I told you guys that was definitely TP on gold. Okay. Let's see. Either or. Okay, either or. You'll need to be ready for whatever they want to do. Okay. Look at that. Gold's coming back down, right back down. Okay, we have a minute to go for market open, you guys. I like what they're doing. It's indecision right now, okay? But they are in a break of structure still. I'm dabbling between the buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell right now because both of these are critical levels. New high, seller, buyers definitely pushing in, and break of structure to the 15-minute support, all right? So it could go either way right now, okay? Let's see what they want to do, all right? Okay. We have market open in the next 15 minutes, you guys. I'm sorry? 15 seconds. Sorry, my bad. We have market open in the next 5 seconds, you guys. This is market open in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Are they giving it to us? Not yet. Alright, I'm watching it closely, you guys. Okay. I'm in. Alright, and they're reversing it, okay? Let's see if they hold. My stop loss is going to be right down there, but so far they're pushing it, okay? Alright, so I'm up by about 8 pips right now. 8 pips. Okay, let's get it, you guys. I'm up by 10 pips, I'm up by 14 pips, about $1,500 right now. Look at that, we're pushing. Liquidate your profits, okay? Liquidate your profits, take what you get and move out of these markets.
Big dubs.
Beautiful, man. Congratulations. Ashley, I hope you caught that, okay? I hope you caught that. What a huge W on Nasty. I know, right? I'm still running on this, you guys. 2,000 bucks, 2,300. Okay, I'm running on Nasdaq. We're gonna go up to hit that 12,000, you guys. I told y'all that 12,000 had to come in. It would be stupid of the market movers to not hit that level and then come back down, right? But I'm running, man. I'm running by 2,700 right now on this. Great day, absolutely. It's worth it. You see, we waited for this move. We waited patiently, but we got it, all right? I'm liquidating my position. Actually, I'm not. I'm holding on a little more. Okay, maybe I hit 3K and I'm gonna pull it out, okay? 3,000, 3,200, okay, 3,500, you guys. We're going up to hit TP. And I am liquidating my position now. I'm out, you guys. I'm out. This is how we do it at Forex trading, okay? We come here, we bank pips for y'all, we make money ourselves, we make y'all money, and we move on with our lives, alright? So, how many of you guys caught that, alright? React to my W. We also had US 30 that played out, or attempted to play out. It attempted to play out, it didn't do it though. Mad moves, tell me about it, JJ. Freaking insane, you guys. How many of y'all made money off of our setups today? Let us know now, guys. Listen, we do this for free for y'all. We don't charge y'all a single dollar to work all day to find these levels for y'all, and then we come here and bang pips, okay? We want to know how many people make money off of our setups. What a day. Insane day. We had a kick-ass London session with the lovely Cash FX, and we also had this crazy New York session. Slow, but crazy New York session. Look at Nasdaq, you guys. Look at Nasdaq. Look at Nasdaq. It's still pumping. Look at that.
Oh my god.
Babe, are you okay?
I'm so sorry.
All right, look at that. I liquidated my position. I should have probably held on. That's insane, you guys. We hit TP straight on Nasdaq. Beautiful move. Worth the wait. And we freaking caught that, you guys. All right, they're attempting. How much are you up, babe?
5, 6%.
On this trade?
New York session, yeah.
Oh, she's up 6%, buddy. 6%. Good lord. Whew. Finally.
You know,
Finally.
I've been buying this market.
From where? Yeah, I know. Cash, guys, she's literally been buying this market. Was it from here?
No,
From that break?
no, from that big. Yeah,
This?
one.
Alright, so Cash has been on the buys, layering up her positions all the way from our 15-minute support. And she's banking on this guy. I'm done, you guys. I pulled out, but I'm not going to complain. Pulling out early is good practice. And, yeah. You want to just... You Sorry, you guys. Excuse me. Okay, but we hit TP on that. and the wick. And let them do whatever they want, alright? So guys, did y'all have a good session? Did y'all have a good London and New York session? Today was insane. It was a slow day. I do understand that. But listen, with patience, we all make money in these markets, okay? And it's not rocket science, you guys. I come from a zero financial background. Me and Cash, both of us were actors, we're filmmakers, all right? And we met at film school, actually, okay? And I got introduced to Forex trading, and it changed my life. It didn't happen overnight, but it changed my life, okay? And we've built this strategy over the past 5 years of our lives. We want to be able to spread it to y'all because we wanted to change your lives the way it's changed ours as well, okay? So we're offering this to you guys as a free service. All we ask for y'all is just to spread the word in your circle, all right? Spread the word in your network. Go on a Twitter. Put on a post for us. If you've made some profits, if you've made $1, if you've made 100, if you've made 1,000, 10,000, it doesn't matter. If you've made it on a real account, on a paper trading account, it doesn't matter. But how you can contribute to what we are doing is by just spreading the word in your network, okay? We would really appreciate that, all right? So, guys, also, Twitter, success stories. We've got that out of the way. The second thing is, if you haven't claimed your Forex calls role as yet, then please go ahead and do so from Pings and Verify, okay? Because you guys will then know. Absolutely, Twitter post greater than Discord post. I couldn't agree anymore. We're all over on this Discord anyway. We need to reach your Twitter networks, and it's all we're asking for in return at this point, you guys, literally. Okay, so we would really appreciate that, and we do this for you guys. I mean, we're here for you guys. We're here to do this for you guys. Not just me, but all of us at Forex, myself, Cash, Millzone, Yano, Dawood. We're all here to make this happen for y'all in the best way that we possibly can, okay? So please post up on Twitter, all right? And, did you ask something? What are the odds of that? There you go, buddy. There you go. You caught that one, Millzone. That's on you. You caught that again, baby? Babe, please stop trading. I'm not gonna lie. Stop freaking trading. Like, you're done. You're done. Alright, guys, in the Twitter post, make sure to... Oh, God, look at that!
God, I'm so
Christ. Still pushing, Millzone. I hope you're banking.
Yes.
I hope you're banking on this, buddy. You caught that. This was... Guys, Millzone just gave you all his first setup, okay? Lovely.
I'm out.
Good day, you guys. Alright, you're out. How much did you close at? 7%. Alright, Cash is out for 7%. She's done. You guys, so am I. Alright, so on those Twitter posts, make sure to tag CramFX, CashFX, and Project Whitelist. And in the meantime, just take it easy, you guys. Alright, crazy day. It's been lovely. Thank you all for showing up on our stream like you'll always do. Listen, please spread the word, and when y'all spread the word, also mention that we do the London market open, alright? Because we need to up the number of people that come in for London. We do have, babe, how many people do you have that come? 20, 25? 25, 30, it goes up to 35 sometimes. But we need to make London as big as this one is, and we just need to keep growing, okay? We need to get more people to come, and we promise the more people that we have coming towards us, the better and better and better we're gonna get, okay? So thank you guys so much. I really appreciate y'all. This was an awesome, lovely session. I'm gonna be looking forward to those Twitter posts and those success stories. Dawood, if you can please also tag if you could also tag Pings and Verify, make sure to go and claim your Forex rolls from there, okay? Because we let you guys know when we're live, when we're not, according to red folders that come out. We change the times we come live. If you all want to be trading with us consistently, you're gonna have to have subscribed to that role just so that you all know what we're up to. All right, so thank you guys so much. This was a lovely session. I will catch you all tomorrow. Well, Cash will catch you all most likely for London tomorrow. We'll let you guys know. We'll give you all a good 12-hour heads up. We'll let you all know in the next couple of hours. But Cash will probably catch you all for London, and I'm going to definitely catch you all for New York. Okay, so thank you so much. This is Forex Trading, you guys. All right, and I keep saying it. I'm going to say it again. We're building an army of millionaires. Join us and do it now. All right, so thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you all. I'm Kram, my partner's Cash, and this is Forex Trading. Signing out.